Agriculturist Maulana Tariq Jameel, born 1953 in Tulambah near Multan. Maulana Tariq Jameel's father belonged to the Muslim Rajputs community, was an agriculturist and was a respected person in his field and the local areas. Maulana Tariq Jameel raised in Mian, Channu city. After completing his higher secondary school education F.Sc in some regions of Pakistan in pre-medical equivalent to A levels from Government College, University Lahore, he took admission in King Edward Medical College in Lahore. He intended to do his MBBS, but his leanings towards spirituality soon urged him to switch to Islamic education. He then went on to receive Islamic education from Jamia Arabia Rewind near Lahore, Pakistan, where he studied Quran, Hadith, Sharia, Tasawwuf, logic and fiqh. Transition towards Islam. Maulana Tariq Jameel proclaimed towards Islam grew during hostile life in Lahore and can mainly be attributed to the group members of Tabligh-e-Jamaat who he became friends with during his college life. He regularly delivers lectures and speeches encouraging people to follow Islamic values and principles and put them into practice in their everyday life. He emphasizes non-political, non-violent, non-sectarian Islam. Maulana Tariq Jameel has traveled extensively for this cause and delivered thousands of lectures all over the world. To quench his thirst for knowledge, he mastered the ability to understand and fluently speak Arabic and traveled extensively to numerous Islamic countries. His charming appearance combined with a strong voice and a fine ability to deliver religious lectures soon catapulted him to fame, and within a few years he became one of the most profound and inspiring preachers of Islam in the Urdu language. Rise to fame due to his sermons and simple and modest lifestyle. Tariq Jameel commands respect from Muslims all over the world. He has a simple, eloquent and distinctive style of explaining the purpose of human life and its creation, and often uses scientific examples to support his argument. He has delivered lectures to all types of communities in the society, with the attendees being doctors, engineers, professors, businessmen, landlords, government officials, TV/film artists, ministers/politicians and sports celebrities. Maulana Tariq Jameel untiring efforts brought real Islamic values in the lives of some of the greatest Pakistani cricketing legends such as Saeed Anwar, Inzamam ul Haq, Mohammad Yusuf, Saqlain Mushtaq Ahmed and Salim Malik. He has also been the main paradigm for Junaid Jah message since his inspiring volte-face towards Islam. Tariq Jameel is also a student of the late Mufti Yusuf Ludian, another Deoband scholar. Islamic teachings. As opposed to the general misconception, Islam is a religion of supreme peace and security. Tariq Jameel's lectures incorporate a wide range of issues of Islam and social concern. He especially emphasizes on self-purification, avoidance of violent ways, observance of halal orders, and to follow Hazrat Muhammad Sunnah. Maulana Tariq Jameel repeatedly asks Muslims to do tawbah, to be penitent for past sins and to retreat from wrong ways of life leading and to come back to the right path leaving the wrong one. He is a staunch critic of moral degeneration, indecent practices and shamelessness that have established its stronghold among the young generation of Muslims.
हुकूक रखे। अगर बेटी पैदा हो तो मेरा नबी फरमाता है 3 बेटियों की शादी कर दो तो जन्नत वाजिब हो गई, 10 बेटों की शादी करो तो जन्नत वाजिब कोई नहीं, 3 बेटियों की शादी करो तो जन्नत वाजिब हो गई। तो एक साहबी ने पूछा, या रसूल अल्लाह 3 ना हो 2 हो? तो कहा 2 की शादी करो तो जन्नत। एक ने कहा, या रसूल अल्लाह अगर 2 ना हो, 1 ही बेटी हो और आगे कोई सिलसिला भी ना हो? तो आपने कहा 1 बेटी की शादी कर दो तो जन्नत वाजिब। यही बहन बन जाती है, बेटी से बहन बनती है, भाई आता है। तो मेरे नबी ने फरमाया, जिसको अल्लाह ने 2 बहनें अता फरमाई, 2 बहनें, और उन्होंने उसका हक अदा किया, हक कि भाई बहनों का हक मार जाते हैं, माँ बाप की विरासत में से बहनों को नहीं देते। ये ऐसे ही हराम है जैसे शराब बेचना हराम है, जैसे सूद खाना हराम है, ऐसे ही बहनों का हक खा जाना ऐसे ही हराम है जैसे चोरी हराम है। ये बहनों का चोर है, उसकी चोरी की जिसके साथ मिलके एक छाती का दूध पिया, एक थाली प्याली में खाया और पिया, एक छत तले जिसके साथ जिंदगी गुजारी। ये